What is going on YouTube? Hayden Mac making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to look at this, which is happening right now on Bitcoin and some of the other major cryptocurrencies here. You can see we made a video just yesterday talking about the major dump that happened here, and not to panic, as the massive dump that just happened is not actually what you think. And you can see on this video here, there was a major dumpage, major dip to the downside here inside of a major ascending fractal that we had drawn on Bitcoin here. We had this beautiful ascending fractal here, which typically is a continuation pattern, lower high or higher low, higher highs, confirmed closure below here, and we saw an aggressive, huge dump and downpour to the downside here. Well, just a few hours later into today, we are now immediately shooting up to the upside here, seeing a major reversal correction. It was a pretty easy one nonetheless here. There is a little bit of a resistance here, a little bit of a symmetrical triangle. You could see just like that on the hourly charts that caused this major reversal to the upside here. But again, as I said in yesterday's episode, this is not surprising, and the correction back to the upside here is again not surprising at all. You can see we've been in a beautiful uptrend in some sort of ascending triangle here. You can see uptrend, price ceiling, and we're continuously creating these new higher lows, and we are stuck at a top price ceiling. But the reversal back inside of here is good because we had no reason to be breaking through it as early as we did. There is a beautiful uptrend forming. You can see this is only intra week. Today is only Wednesday here, so the major reversal back into the uptrend is by no means a surprise. It is not surprising in the slightest bit for us to come back into this major uptrend here, because that pattern has not been broken. Well, it goes even further than that. Ethereum having a major dip and reversal spike here. We also have to look at XRP having a reversal back to the upside here. Another interesting thing to go over and discuss with you. Then we have another one on Solana as we are back inside our ascending fractal here above even our resistance. So I'm excited to go over and discuss all of that with you too. There's going to be a lot of interesting trades coming up in the very near future as we are now inside still our huge technical indicators here. So I am very excited to go over that. Soon I'll be posting even more trades when we do decide to take advantage of them on FAIRDESK, which is where you can find all my new trades recently. I have just recently joined FAIRDESK, and I am posting trades on here that are public and transparent, and all you guys can follow me for free. And I believe it's even passive trading because you can copy my trades for free by copy trading. So literally go on FAIRDESK, click copy trade, enter my name, Crypto TV, and it's literally that simple. You can also follow me with the link down in the description below. That is another way to find me on FAIRDESK here. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Also, guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, FAIRDESK is giving away up to 100K in free cryptocurrency futures bonus by literally signing up with the link down in the description below, depositing and trading. It's that simple, as you can see here. $100, $2,000, $6,500, and so many more. It's simple, it's easy, it's free, and you can literally trade, get the deposit bonus, and then withdraw, and you're good to go. So it's very easy, it's very simple to do. Link down in the description below. There's no KYC or VPN needed in any region, which is also a huge perk. So make sure to check out FAIRDESK with that link down below in the description. Anywho, diving into today's video, to start with XRP here, you can see XRP has now rebounded back into its beautiful ascending or descending triangle here. As you guys know, as of yesterday, we tweaked the charts ever so slightly. I can maybe draw this in a different color so that we can stay up to date. You can see in blue here, and I'll change this to blue as well. You can see this kind of symmetrical or descending fractal, descending triangle forming here, where we do have a beautiful uptrend at large, forming lower highs. So each time we headed up, it's lower than the last. And we've also managed to do is find a new support level where each time we fall, it's at the same support as the past here, which is also super epic. So each time we come back down, it's at a similar point of reversal compared to the past year. So we are going to continue to fill this out. This is on the weekly, so this is going to take a long time to fill in, even as early as 2025, for us to see any sort of immediate huge enlarged breakdown. Typically that's expected, as I do expect to see movements within Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies first, and then we'll see XRP do so. So a delayed breakout in XRP is by no means a surprise in the long term. Expecting to see a 70-cent all-time high XRP price yet again. But short term, zooming in here, you can see we are still holding out on this support. Even with the reversals that we have, support is still being withheld, which is incredible here, including a major symmetrical triangle, filling in this gap, lower, high, higher, low, filling this out. We broke down, but we're still above our support, which is huge. Again, XRP is on the side burner here, but again, we do believe that we are going to see a reversal back up to 56 to even 57 cents in the near future as we start our ascent here. But we'll see some other signs of this throughout some other cryptocurrencies a bit earlier than just XRP. And here, moving forward from XRP, looking at something like Solana here, as we said in yesterday's episode, Solana is forming major bull flag breakouts here, where it's been consistent on the price here for Solana here. It's a consistent trend that we see where we have a flag pull up, lower high, lower low, down to this yellow resistance, and then we break out of it. And it's a consistent one. That's one. Here's another one, too. There's even another one right here. And it's just this overall consistent marker here. We have another massive flag pull, lower high, lower low. Guess what? We broke out right here, rallied all the way up. So it's consistency. I'll say it again and again and again until it's through everybody's head that these flag pulls happen and populate all the time on Solana. Here's the next one that we're in here. You can see we reversed out of it, and we're already back up above the uptrend that we've been using on the daily charts here that shows signs of bullish movement here. You can see we're just came into contact with the moving average, holding on very nicely. We could hang out below it again. It's a big possibility, but at some point or another, we are going to break through the price ceiling and rally to the upside. And, you know, if you're not in it, you're going to wish you were. So just keep your eyes peeled on the market here. I'm going to extend this downwards. It's very possible we could trend through it as we've done many times in the past here. But at some point, once we confirm closure above this price ceiling, we shall break to the upside. And it's going to be a large one at that. So keep your eyes peeled on Solana. Those that are Solana traders, be excited because this breakout is going to happen quicker than you might think. We have a beautiful bull flag forming here, and it is going to lead us with a breakout very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on that. As for these other cryptos, I think I'm going to skip over Ethereum for the time being. I don't see anything that would scream buy an opportunity on Ethereum just yet, besides the fact that we're in a downtrend here. Bitcoin looks incredible. Massive reversal back to the upside. I'm sure a lot of you guys were shocked that after the major dump, we're already back inside our ascending fractal. Check that out. We just closed an hourly candle as of a couple of minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, and we're now trending back inside the same ascending fractal that we broke down from. So that's absolutely incredible and crazy as well. So look, check this out. We are back inside our ascending triangle here, which is epic as well. So now we're back inside of here. We expect to come back up to retest resistance here. Yet again, on the daily charts, this would be considered a bear trap here, as if this closure below the support here, one would think we'd continue to drop down, but instead we're still back inside of here. So I do suspect that we are going to continue to trend higher and probably retest 71.5 by the end of this week. Yet again, another consistency pattern that you guys could bet on in the near future. Ethereum's a bit weirder. I don't want to trade Ethereum. XRP looks okay. Again, if we start to see Bitcoin rally up to retest 71.5, good chance we'll see XRP come up to retest about 54 cents. And Solana is also due for a breach above resistance here, and we should be able to rally up higher, eventually retesting $200 on Solana again very, very, very soon. Again, Solana's in a bullish pattern, higher low, higher highs. It has a consistency on here. You can see with this uptrend. So very soon we will be rallying up to 200. It's almost a given at this point within Solana here. Same thing with XRP. It's almost a given. The next retest is going to be around 57 to 58 cents. But crazy movements here. Like I said, total manipulation as yesterday. We're back inside the same pattern that we started with on Bitcoin and some of these other cryptocurrencies. But that's pretty much it for today's video. As for the S&P, we went even higher yesterday, which is so unrealistic and unreasonable here that I would expect to see correction happen fairly soon. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.